What's good, y'all? It's Bboy Magnus.Magneto from Never Crew, and in this video I wanted to go over some freeze drills with you guys that I think are really important and that basically act as a pre-power move and pre-trick drill. So these are basically the drills from once you've got a freeze down really good on both sides. You're gonna go from that beginner level to intermediate drills, which is basically what we're working on now. And then from there, it's gonna go into the advanced move, which is like the actual power move, etc. So I think this is gonna really help you guys, so let's get into it right now. No shoes required, but if you guys want a yoga mat, something to practice on, by all means, as always, do you, baby?
Yeah, baby!
So, firstly, your air babies. Make sure you got your air babies both sides. So, if you don't know how to air baby, let me know, comment down below and I can make a tutorial on it. But until then, right here. So we're basically gonna go from here. Start on a baby freeze. Make sure you have this, at least this solid, one side, and then the other side, solid. Just like that, okay? So you don't have to have it for 30 seconds or anything wild. Just make sure you have it for a solid like 5 seconds or so. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna transfer from your air baby to your other side air baby. And this is gonna act as a drill to get around from an air baby position to literally anything else you'd wanna get into. So from there, what you have to learn is this next one, which is like a crow freeze if you've done yoga. Basically same as an air baby, but you're gonna be doing both knees on both elbows like that, okay? So you can go into it like that, or you can go into it like here. So if you want to go into it this way, all you gotta do is bend your arms really low and then bring your legs up like that, okay? So basically that's gonna be the middle part that you're gonna transfer into. So you're gonna go from one air baby, like this, here, and then lean to center, and then bring your other elbow in, and then you're gonna lean out of it, like that, okay? So that transfer, basically all it is really controlling and transferring your weight. That's why I call these kind of transfer drills, because the whole point of it is that you're literally not doing any wild motion, not doing any crazy kicks. All you're doing is transferring your weight, and that's gonna provide the mobility to move from side to side. So again, going here. If you want, you can keep that foot down just to help. Then you're centered, go up, then bring one foot down, drag it over here. So again, the trick with this is keep leaning forwards. The only reason I couldn't do it before is because I kept slipping off my elbows because I wasn't leaning forwards enough. But if you lean forwards a lot, that's gonna provide a nice base for your knee to balance on your elbow. Lean, hold center, come out of it. If you're falling like I am, then go back into it. Then lean here, okay? So key things that people might not think about, grip the ground, okay? Just like with our holding our handstand or whatever, the more you grip the ground, the easier it's gonna be to hold it. Grip, flex, stay strong. One more time. Here, lean forwards, find center, other side. So if you go here, go to push-up position, do this. Lean to one side, through center, other side. If you can do that, you can do this. It's the exact same thing. Use your leg weight as extra weight to propel your body around. Kind of like if you had a tail, okay? Think of that leg as your tail. So you're here, then right here, for you doing right air baby like I am, your left leg is gonna be going into here, then your right leg is gonna act as that tail. Did you see how I almost fell there? But I used that leg to help myself get around. And that's the move. Second transfer drill we're gonna do. This acts as like a pre-head spin or headstand threading. Basically, it's gonna upgrade your headstand so that you can do literally anything you want in a headstand from this drill. This is the drill you train if you want to start doing weird abstract stuff on your head or literally just start moving from a headstand. So you're gonna go to your headstand, basic straddle legs, and then literally all you do, take a foot, I'm gonna take my left, lean it down like this. Boom. As if there was a string attached per leg. If one leg moves up, the other leg stays in that same line. So your heels, they stay together. If one goes higher, the other one rotates too. Never go like this or here or anything, okay? Try and keep that really solid. So if one heel is going up, other one's going down. Just like that. Then find center, lean, hold down. You can even look at that foot if you want. And now you want to do that until this hand feels like it can actually come off the ground. Lean, come off. Lean, come off. Hold, lean. You can even go fingertips and slowly walk it to one if you'd like. Or you can just straight bring it up. Your choice. Holding it until you can go one hand. And then lean, other side. Hold, hold. So same thing with your air baby. It's all in the gripping of the ground. Grip the ground, flex your core, your whole body, your legs, everything. And that's gonna act as your balance and your control point so that you're not falling over or messing up or anything, you're staying strong. Cool? One more time. Holding, going, hold, switch. Then, what you want to do is always come back to your headstand. So if you're here and if you're going to fall, try to catch always back to here. Don't come down and reset. Try to always fall back to your headstand. That way you get to train the fall as well. Halfway there, everybody. This one is probably my least favorite because I'm the worst at it. Harsh realities. But I'm still going to show you guys it because I think you guys can build a lot of this even if I personally haven't. That's just out of my own lack of motivation to do it, but it's still a really big one, and that's your elbow switches or transfers. So basically what you want to do is, again, make sure you got your 3 basics first, which is one side, and center. So one side, elbow freeze, here. Then you want to have the other side, elbow freeze, here. Then you want to have center, like this, here. You can go good to bad or bad to good if you want, your choice. But first, get the center. So you're here, like this. Then all you're gonna do is shift your weight onto your elbow as you transfer to center. And then just come down like that. Then, once you have that solid, try the other side. So you're gonna go here, hold, center. So I have nerve damage in my right elbow. So I'm personally gonna use a yoga mat for this one because if I train without it, it kind of hurts, to be honest. So, by all means, if you're fine with it, just go do a hard floor. But again, so basically what you want to do is you're transferring from here, center, here, center. Always hands closer, elbows wide, up. Hand always in line with that elbow. And center, hip, center, hip. So, you can even try this up here first if you want. Bum high, shift, center, shift. Here, push whatever hand's coming down. So it'll be right here, shoulder up, down, left up, like that. So you're welcome to try static like that, or what you can literally do is just switch one leg in front, center, in front, center. So basically how that looks is whichever elbow is down, that leg is gonna be in front of you in this position. So one front, one behind, and then center, both will be behind. And then on the other side, same thing. One elbow, whichever elbow's down, that leg will be in front. So we're gonna try that way now. Check it out. So again, the only trick to this is making sure that you have each freeze as solid as possible. You're switching those legs, just like I said, same leg in front as elbow that's down. And then the last thing that you wanna really make sure you're doing is whenever you're here, if you're falling down, whenever you're here, that's because you're not leaning forward. So make sure your chest comes in front of your arms. So not here, here, okay? That's a big thing. I see a lot of people fall backwards, and by backwards I mean forwards, because they're not leaning enough forwards. So if you lean forwards enough, you're gonna be able to hold it because your weight's gonna be over top your arms. So let's try un momento. And then also, last thing, if you really can't do good side, center, bad side, then go bad side, center, good side, and that will be easier. Okay, so I'm gonna show you good to bad and bad to good, hopefully in the same run. Okay, y'all, last one, and one of my personal favorites, because this is gonna help you with all your handstand stuff, from simply holding it, to moving around in it, to going to 90s, to this, to that, to whatever you wanna do. And that's basically just switching from one arm to center to the other arm. But without doing a static handstand, you're actually gonna be doing this with a little leg pump. So get comfortable with this first. Hands up like this. You're gonna attach a string from your elbow to your knee on both sides, like a puppet. So if your right elbow comes down, your right knee's gonna come up. Then other way, left elbow come down, left knee come in. So you're going here, here. Now, equally, when one leg bends in, the other leg's gonna straighten. Obviously you can't see this because we're on the ground, but when we're on our hands, you're gonna see it. So then all you're gonna do is rotate like that to the other side in your handstand, like this, going up to your handstand, then shake off your shorts. You're gonna go up, come down. Just get comfortable with that first, one at a time, going here and legs wide. Then you're going knee, come down. Then try and go knee, center, hold, handstand. Okay, like this. Hold, hit, catch. Keep walking, get comfortable, and then try the other side when you're balanced. Catch and knee, catch. Because the fun thing with this is you can either do it really slowly, which acts as a really good solid drill, or you can go a little bit quicker if you want to learn just literally this feeling. Kind of like a cat kneading the ground, okay? Like that. You're doing the same thing. So every time, shift your shoulders like this when you're in your handstand. Shift, one end, shift, other end. So try a couple in a row now. Just keep kind of going into it. So you're up here, and you're just gonna go like this, like you're walking on your hands. Just bring your knees in. Whenever your hand comes off the ground, bring that knee down. Hand, knee, 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 hit, 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 hit. Then you can literally start going really fast if you want, or slow. So fast isn't super hard, you just spam it, but the thing I want you guys to learn here is the slow one, because that's gonna help you a lot with learning how to hold a one-handed handstand on both sides, and also it's gonna help you literally just learn how to transfer your weight from side to side, which is kind of the goal here. So now whenever you switch, you're gonna try to hold that side as long as you can before coming back to center. Kind of like what we did with our headstand. So if you notice right there, every time I went one-handed, I tried to hold and flex my body as hard as I could, and then came back to center. So literally think of it as a lean, catch, catch, hold, come down, hold, come down, hold, come down. So the slower you can make that, the more you're training that position on each hand. So you're kind of tricking your body into learning that. And then the more that you bend your obliques in and you engage right here on each side, the easier it's going to be to hold. So try to really connect there and connect there. This is also going to help you learning all your kind of twisted one-handed air freeze. So let's try again, this time even longer holds. And that's the drill. There's literally no ceiling on where your improvement can end with that. But I think putting it in kind of as a drill that you do a lot of time, especially as conditioning, is going to be really helpful for you guys in your training. All right, y'all, on that note, this is Bboy Freeze from Now Never Crew. I hope today's video helped you out a little bit. These are some drills that I think are really important, and hopefully you guys think so too. This is Bboy Freeze from Now Never Crew. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, subscribe, and smash the bell button for more videos. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Before you go, if you're not completely sick of my face already, don't forget to get my free course, Breaking Made Simple. To access the course, all you have to do is go to the link down below. To get the free download, all you have to do is join the Facebook group, Breaking Made Simple, which is a hub for people to learn, grow, and just get better and become the best b-boys they possibly can, man. And be cool.